Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you can use the ZapInfo automated profile lookup and enrichment capabilities within the SmartRecruiters application. So most of you may or may not know that you can use ZapInfo to basically zap profiles off of any job board or social network. In this case, I'm going to grab Andrew Murphy, who's an implementation consultant for SmartRecruiters, and I'm going to zap him from LinkedIn into my Zap board. So now it's taken all of his different elements of his LinkedIn profile and mapped it into these XML fields, where now I can come over into SmartRecruiters and say that I want to add a candidate, and I can simply hit Zap and drop an Andrew. And you're going to see that it will go ahead and drop every part of Andrew's profile into the SmartRecruiters application. Typically, when we work with customers, we understand what their source types are, and so we actually put in, hey, this was a paid find of a candidate that we have in here, and we found him on LinkedIn. So we would actually hard code these, but you can see it actually puts every part of his profile into the application, all of his experiences and education. It even puts a PDF attached resume into the application. Now, you can drop one person or you can drop up to 1,000 people simultaneously using this method with ZapInfo. But one of the great things about the application, I'm going to go ahead and add Andrew's profile in here, is say that Andrew applied to SmartRecruiters over a year ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete some of his most recent experiences. And I might even delete his education, because when he applied, he really didn't give us very much data about his working experience. And sometimes they don't give you anything, like from an experience perspective. But now when you view or visit any of the SmartRecruiters contacts, you're going to see a little Z button next to the person's name. And here you'll be able to see things like search by name or search by name and company. In this case, we know that we can find Andrew and Andrew's LinkedIn profile. Now, you might also see selections in here in the future for finding his Facebook profile, his Twitter profile, his GitHub profile, and many of the different social areas that you might want to pull back data from. But I'm just going to click go ahead and update from his LinkedIn profile, and you're going to see what happens is the ZapInfo tool will take us directly to his social networking profile. It'll zap the profile, and then it'll give us the ability to zap that data into the page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you're going to see what it's doing is it's actually augmenting and adding in all of the relevant related experiences, as well as his educational experience. And it will make sure that none of them are duplicates within the system as well. So it's a really great way for you to be able to update this data. Now, I'm going to go ahead and, again, just delete his most recent experience and maybe this one, and I'm going to redrop his profile into this system here, and you'll see again that it only drops the net new experiences. So if you're updating anybody, it will only add those new experiences beyond the ones that you might have collected from them earlier. So this is a great way for you to be able to very quickly, with 2 mouse clicks, update any and all of your contacts within your SmartRecruiter system by simply using the built-in Zap lookup capability to instantly update any of your SmartRecruiters contacts.